Oh my God, bigger than I thought. We got the freaking shanty loaded. Got all these minis here. I don't know if you guys can see them or not, it's pretty dark. Nick's got them good minis. I don't even know what the hell they are. They live for like 3 months though. Got like 200 pounds on the old sled here, so I don't lose anything.
How heavy is it?
It's kind of heavy. Oh yeah, we need like snowshoes, dude. We need like a dog sled team. Grabbed a little too much speed there. Let's just hop on and ride it down. Ooh, this is slick. Surfed it down. Alright guys, well we just walked through pretty much all of Narnia, but we're here. Dude, that didn't, oh dude. Oh dude!
Oh yeah.
What?
That's a big crappie.
Would you say that we weren't gonna catch none like freaking 12 to 14? Look at that motherfucker, that's 12. Dude, hell yeah. That hammered it quick.
Yeah, he did.
Swedish pimple. How long were you jigging?
Like less than a minute.
Oh yeah, I'm sitting here telling stories.
Down on the
eating my
bottom.
sandwich. That's a nice one. Not keeping?
I don't know, you want to?
That's an eater, man. I mean, shit. What do you think?
Yeah.
Let's fry some
Might
up.
get one first drop like that.
That was pretty cool. Hammered it too.
Fought too.
Hammered it.
Fought a little bit.
That's a thick one, dude. Sitting here telling stories, eating my sandwich, and you're catching fish. My depth finder is like bugging out. I don't know why. Feels good. Feels real good. Oh, big old gill. Holy shit. Wow. We're keeping him.
That's 7 inches.
Oh my God.
PB gill.
Holy, dude, close. Wow. Look at this freaking thing, dude. I don't know what's going on, guys. Having some camera issues, but look at the size of this freaking thing. I don't know if it's a hybrid or if it's just a red ear, but that's dinner. That's one of the biggest sunfish I've ever caught. Throw him in here with your big old crappie. Dude, he's as big as this crappie. Oh, there he is.
Big gill.
Bass.
Oh, nice.
Alright, Swedish pimple. I got the gills over here now. That's a lot smaller than that other one I caught. That's just a baby. Oh, what you got, buddy? Dude, that depth change, you just standing up is what triggered that, huh? Or did you stand up after you hit a hit? Bass? Oh, dude, that's not bad. That's not bad at all, though. Better than I just caught. Oh, yeah, dude. We ain't been out here long.
No.
Let's get a release. Oh, dude, flag up. Hopefully this one's big. It's not spinning now. Dude, oh, is he there?
No, but he definitely took it.
You sure? There goes that guy.
Yeah, he's not there.
Damn.
He definitely took it over there.
Oh, for sure. I've been looking at them all, so that was recent. Like, that was within the last, like, couple minutes. It's getting interesting, though, dude.
Yeah.
Another bass. A lot of little bass in here. Hopefully we get some bigger ones. This is, it's been pretty active so far. There, bud. Oh yeah, it's a big gill there. Probably keep him. I'll probably keep this guy. I haven't caught a crappie yet though. Big gill. I mean, compared to this freaking guy here. My God.
Dude, that thing is freaking massive.
Oh, I can fillet him. I'll keep him.
All right.
And I'm just want to make sure I got enough for, I'm already keeping him. I want to make sure I got enough for a meal.
Came up. My rod.
Oh my God. Oh God. Another good gill. I hate to keep a bunch of gills. If he's bigger than that other one, I'm keeping him. Oh no, he's like it's the same size.
Just throw him in, that'll be your last one, then we'll catch crap.
Ooh, that's better. That's solid.
These my dance make it hurt.
Was not recording for all that crazy drag right there. There he goes. Yeah, that was
I got it.
That was a big mark. Oh,
I got it. Keep rolling.
That was a big mark, dude. That was a big mark.
Another cost.
Woo! I'm feeling like a catfish, dude.
The bass.
I hope so. That mark was huge. I hate that I wasn't recording for that hookup, dude. Oh, big bass. Oh, there we go. That's not bad there. Hell yeah.
Not as big as I thought.
I thought it was gonna be a little bigger, yeah.
Still big.
Yeah. Not bad though, dude.
Awesome.
That mark was nice. That was in 17 and a half. Hey. Let me get you get a picture. You don't mind.
Oh, my tip up's up.
Oh shit, is it? Nothing?
Take a knee also. Couple pounds.
Well, he was fighting. We thought he was gonna be bigger. I was worried it was gonna be cold out here. This ain't bad. Got him? He's a little short, fat guy.
Yeah, he is.
And I wonder if that's the fish that's just been messing with you for 30 minutes. I mean, that's a pretty fish though, dude. Hey. How long has that been going on? Oh, look at it. Is it clear over that way or what?
Yeah, it's gone too. Just let go.
Where's your bobber at?
Dude.
Dude. That's hilarious. I'm like, wait a
Look
second.
at the depth I had it set.
Something don't look right here. Oh my god. Something hammered. Something definitely hammered it. Oh shit. I doubt he's still on there the way that fell. This is gone.
You gotta do something different with that fucking.
Oh, he's on there. Dude, this is nice too. Oh god. Dude, this is heavy.
Let me lip it, show the camera for me.
Wow. This is heavy.
Really?
This is a heavy action rod. I like these little 6-inch holes, dude. God. This guy better be big the way he's fighting. Oh boy. Dude. Oh my god. Dude. Wow. Hey.
That's a 5.
Oh man, that's nice. Wow.
I got my scale.
Yeah, let's scale it.
You want to see there's so many people trying to,
Oh, I know.
I mean, ice fish might be the time to get the big one.
I got one a couple of weeks ago about this size in West Virginia too. Oh man, that was nuts. I'm gonna put them in a hole till you get a. He barely freaking fits. That's ridiculous. He's a little bit smaller than the Tommy fish was. 5 on the 5.4, 5.5, 5.5. All right. Hell yeah.
5 pounds, 5 ounces.
All right, guys. Well, 5 pounds, 5 ounce fish. Hammered it. I didn't even see it or hear it. Nick heard it. I ran over there and was not thinking it was going to be on because the pole was sitting kind of funny. But hell yeah, we'll get her back in. That's freaking awesome. Oh man, what a fish. Make sure she kicks. There she goes. Dude, this has been lit. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh man, that's awesome.
This place is sick.
Dude, this is sweet. Hell yeah. Dude, that rod catches all the fish.
Yeah, like that hole. I said.
I know, but that exact rod, no matter where I put it. Is another hammer? Oh, dude. Dude, this is lit. This is lit.
Very small.
Little guy. That's crazy, though. You just put it down.
That down.
Just threw it down. I think some fish are moving in here. Oh, shit.
Yo. Tighten that up.
Oh, God. I doubt he's still on after all that, is he? No.
Dude, you have to stop using it.
That was silly. That was stupid.
You have to stop using it.
God.
Okay, open the barrel. Oh, see the foot fell off.
Nope. And he was pulling drag. This minnow's about done.
Yeah, you know what? You go get a fresh one.
God. Good Lord. Did you hear that drag yelling? That was probably a good one. That's like 3 in a row. I've missed now though. Dude, I think I just got the magic like
That rod.
the rod, and I don't know. I just have this little like 2.5 turn thing I do off the bottom, and it's just like it works.
That reel and everything about it.
Just magic. Just doesn't hook them all the time though. Oh my God, bigger than I thought.
Oh man, it's taking off on me.
Oh shit. I think I was there for a while actually. I'm like not paying attention. It felt kind of heavy. And I just was like, oh, I'll set the hook. What do I got here? Man, it's twice I got hammered on this rod and I wasn't recording for the bite. This gotta be another good bass. It's gotta be. Where's he at? My God, he really, oh, not bad. I think he was there for a while, dude. That's not bad. Hey, that ain't bad at all, dude. Man, he hammered it.
Yeah, dude, look how far down he has.
I know. I think
in the gill.
No, he's right there. He's not in the gill. Close though. Looks like that one I caught earlier. I mean, that's. Yeah.
That's 2.25.
Oh yeah.
That's close to
That's
it.
probably 17 something.
Yeah.
Some nice fish. I don't know how long he was on there because it felt a little weird for a while and I was just being stupid. I wasn't marking anything though. Well, guys, we came out here for panfish, but I'm not mad about this. What's been happening? This is pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's fun. Right there, guys. Swedish pimple, tipped with a little waxy. It's been what I've caught all my fish on today, other than the tip ups, and I actually haven't caught anything on tip ups. But my one dead stick's been catching a couple bass. But yeah, I think Nick's pretty much using the same thing too. Been catching crappie, bluegill, and bass. I'm actually marking more right now, so I'm gonna get back down there. All right, guys, well, we didn't hammer the panfish like we thought we would, so Nick's actually giving me his 2 crappie. I'm gonna fillet all these boys and cook them up. I got like 2 almost 12-inch crappie. I got like an 11-inch freaking red ear. Look at the size of that thing. I got 2 like 8.5-inch gills, which looks small compared to the red ear, but those will all fillet up nice. Hell yeah, girlfriend's gonna be happy. Look at that freaking dude. I think it's huge. Look at that compared to my hand. I have huge hands. Thing's bigger than my hand.